Hello everyone. One of the best fertilizers that you can use for your plants is a seaweed fertilizer. And yet surprisingly, it is the last option that people think of buying when they go to a local store or when they buy a fertilizer online. Not only is seaweed fertilizer organic, but it also comes from a sustainable source and can be harvested without damaging the environment. The seaweed fertilizer was initially used by people living in the coastal areas and with wonderful results. Because now it is available all over the world in its packaged form. Seaweed fertilizer comes in the form of small granules as well as in liquid form. And I think that the liquid form is not only easier to use but also more readily taken in by the plants. So it's a better option.
Now most seaweed fertilizer comes from kelp that grows to a length of 50 meters. Trace elements found in organic seaweed fertilizer include magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, iron, nitrogen and alginic acid, all of which are very beneficial to plants. Now nitrogen for instance is essential to the production of nitrates. That's a key component needed by plants during the process of photosynthesis. Now the question is, where and how should you apply the liquid seaweed fertilizer and in what way? Now first, seaweed fertilizer promotes additional budding if applied to plants that are beginning to bud. Second, it extends the shelf life of fruits and vegetables if applied 10 days before harvesting. Thirdly, the seaweed extract lengthens the life of cut flowers if they are sprayed with it a day, 2 or 3 days before actually cutting them. It can also be used as rooting solution and gives wonderful result. Here you can see that I have put my pothos cutting in the seaweed solution and already roots have grown. It's been almost 15 days and you can see how well the roots are growing. Seaweed fertilizer also improves crop harvests, increases the resistance to diseases and stress and helps the plant to take more nutrients from the soil. It discourages pests and control diseases in fruits, flowers and houseplants. Liquid seaweed fertilizer acts as soil conditioner. The allignates react with metals in the soil and form long cross-linked polymers that ultimately help the plant to retain moisture for a longer time. Now there are also some important plant hormones in seaweed fertilizer that are needed in small quantities but are important nevertheless.
I love the seaweed fertilizer because it is a natural source harvested in a way that does not harm the environment or the sustainability of the seaweed itself. One cannot talk enough about the advantages of this fertilizer, be it on your flower beds, your vegetables, your blooms or your house plants. The effects are incredibly impressive.
Now the seaweed fertilizer has more than 70 minerals, vitamins and enzymes, and now we'll see how to use it. We need to dilute the fertilizer. So first I'm taking water in a bucket, and every fertilizer bottle comes with a measuring cap, whichever company you buy, on which there are markings of ml, that how many milliliters of fertilizer you need to take. So I am roughly going to take just now about 5 liters of water, and for every 1 liter of water we need to pour in 3 ml seaweed fertilizer. So first I am going to prepare the fertilizer, show you how it is done. Now shake the bottle thoroughly before you pour out the liquid. Now I have measured according to the markings on the cap. So for 5 liters approximately I need 15 ml of seaweed fertilizer that I will put in it. After mixing the ingredients, so my fertilizer is ready. Now I will be taking about half a mug of fertilizer and putting it in my plants. This is my philodendron in all my pots. This is my syngonium, the Adansonii monstera, this is Enjoy pothos. So all plants will benefit from it. This is the Brazil. This is the pink syngonium. And this is my fig plant, which I really love. And I am putting some fertilizer to my fig tree also. This is my Calathea, only one leaf is there, so I am putting some fertilizer. Now I am diluting my fertilizer further because now I intend to spray it on the leaves. So you fill it in a bottle, the fertilizer, after diluting it a little more, and you spray it. So spraying of the foliar application is one of the most effective and efficient methods of administering the liquid seaweed to your plants. So you have to actually it is 8 to 20 times more effective when applied on leaves than when put in the soil. So you have to spray the fertilizer like a fine mist until it drips off the plant's surface, and the plant will immediately absorb the fertilizer and begin to benefit from it by the second day.
Well, that was about the seaweed fertilizer, how it is made, what is its exact composition, and why we should be using and opting for seaweed fertilizer as a first topmost choice for fertilizing our plants. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram at @vriksham_sharnam. Thank you so much.